Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, here we go again. This time we are going to open a Schlage. Oh, I got it. The name is upside down. Schlage. If you can read that. I don't know what they call this. This is a mortise lock or a deadbolt lock? I don't know what they call it. But anyhow, here's the keyway. It's a cylinder kind of thing, goes in a door, I suppose. But I'm going to use my Bogota from Capiche. I have worn out the handle, got it candled now with electrical tape, but it still works. And I'm going to use my homebrew tension wrench. Now this is a 5-pinner. It says Schlage on it. I had the key here for it somewhere, but I don't know where it is. But as my illustrious leader Bosnian Bill says, we don't need no stinking keys. So we're going to put it in the vise, and then we're going to rake it. Let me put it in the vise, and we'll get right at it. Okay, we've got this Schlage here in the vise. We've got our homebrew tension wrench, and we've got our, oh, look at that, it's open. Lock it up, and we will use our Bogota from Capiche. This isn't sitting quite right. Here we go. I've raked it twice, and now that it's on camera, you know how that goes. The tension wrench doesn't seem to want to sit quite right. Come on, guys, there it is. Tension wrench fell out the exact time it opened, but it opened. Schlage, 5-pinner. Single pin picked? Not yet, but it's raked. Okay, guys, have fun, keep it safe, and keep it legal.